Do you own a plumbing business? Want to know one of the best ways to generate leads for your business? I'm talking about highly targeted and qualified leads. If so, I have some good news for you. More and more businesses are using proven Facebook advertising to grow their businesses fast. But you may have concerns and questions you may want answered. And we want to help you by giving you a free report titled Facebook Ad Secrets for Local Businesses. This is a free report that will help you understand how Facebook advertising works, the types of ads and targeting that are best for your business, and everything else you need to know to make the best decision possible. Simply complete the form on this page and download it now.